Hello, cute children. How are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a cotton candy. Cotton candy. So it will be a big cloud type. Okay. So it's looking fulfilly. So here I have to start from here. Some small and some big. Okay. So now I'm coming down. So wonderful, looking amazing. So it's a big cloud type. It's not problem. You make draw small, big. It should be like ice cream. You know how it look like. So fulfilly. So now we have to draw a cone. Okay. So this is the midpoint, and this is we have to meet these points. State. Okay. Good. And now from here as well. Okay, amazing. So looking wonderful. So what is missing now? Smiley face. Yippoo. So we have to draw first of all here one eye. Okay, and the parallel is this eye is an another. It's looking like one small and one big. No problem. The main part is enjoying while drawing. When you enjoy yourself, then it's good. Then okay, now we have to fill this white part. We have to leave to white and remaining black. Good. So and more smiley face, don't forget. Okay, so so now, okay, so now it's I have to this one and this one. I have to fill this middle and okay, leave it. Okay, so now I have to draw what? The cone spiral. Here, here. It should be almost equal. Okay, good. So now it's looking amazing, but now it's a part of color. So I have chosen for this part two, pink and yellow. You can choose your own choice. So first of all I will color with cone. So I will meet after color. Okay children, so this is ready for eating. So our cotton candy is ready for eating. So the main part is please enjoy while drawing. This is the aim of mine while making our videos for you. Okay, please subscribe my channel and be safe from until the next video. Bye bye, be careful.